all love spaghetti noodles, but have you ever wondered how they're made? Let's look at the spaghetti production process. But did you know that the average American eats around 6 billion pounds of spaghetti each year? That's a lot of spaghetti. And if you laid all the spaghetti noodles consumed in the United States in a single year end to end, they would circle the earth more than 60 times. Mind-blowing, right? Let's find out what goes into making this beloved pasta. Chapter 1. The Rise of Spaghetti. Spaghetti has become a global phenomenon, with billions of servings consumed every year. It's a staple at Italian restaurants, family dinners, and even high-end eateries. But how did this humble noodle become so popular? It all started with a simple wheat grain and a creative cook. Over the years, spaghetti has evolved from a simple staple to a culinary icon, with chefs experimenting with different sauces, toppings, and cooking methods to create unique and delicious variations. Spaghetti has a rich and interesting history that dates back to ancient times. It's believed that the dish originated in Italy, where durum wheat was cultivated and used to make pasta. The word spaghetti itself comes from the Italian word spago, meaning string or twine. Over time, spaghetti spread throughout Europe and eventually made its way to the Americas, where it quickly gained popularity and became a staple of American cuisine. But did you know that the term spaghetti is actually a misnomer? In Italy, spaghetti refers specifically to thin, long noodles. But there are many other types of pasta with different shapes and sizes, so in reality, what we call spaghetti could encompass a wide variety of pasta shapes. Who knew? And speaking of names, did you ever wonder why it's called pasta when it's actually made from wheat? It's a mystery that has puzzled food historians for years. Chapter 2. The Wheat's Journey. Durum wheat, known for its high protein content and gluten strength, is the preferred choice for pasta production. The journey of wheat to becoming spaghetti is a fascinating one. From its origins in the Fertile Crescent to its spread across the globe, durum wheat has played a significant role in shaping the culinary landscape. Today, durum wheat is grown in many countries worldwide, with Canada and Italy being the largest producers. Speaking of durum wheat, did you know that it undergoes a meticulous cleaning process before it can be used for making spaghetti? Upon arrival at the production facility, the wheat is stored in large silos, where it undergoes initial cleaning to remove impurities such as stones, dirt, and other foreign materials. This ensures that only the highest quality wheat is used for making pasta. Chapter 3. Manufacturing. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how spaghetti noodles are made. It's a process that requires precision, skill, and a lot of hard work. First, the durum wheat is carefully cleaned and conditioned to remove any dirt or impurities. Then, it is transferred to the milling section, where it is ground into semolina, the coarse flour used for making pasta. The milling process involves a series of rollers and sifters that progressively crush the wheat grains and separate the bran from the endosperm. Once the semolina is ready, it is conveyed to the mixing area where it is combined with water to form dough. Industrial mixers capable of handling several tons of semolina at a time mix the ingredients thoroughly. The ratio of water to semolina is carefully controlled to achieve the desired dough consistency, which is crucial for the extrusion process. Some factories may also add small amounts of vitamins and minerals to enrich the pasta. Chapter 4. Extrusion and Shaping. The dough is then extruded into large sheets before shaping it into spaghetti. This process helps achieve a uniform distribution of moisture and ingredients, reduces air bubbles, and makes the dough easier to handle and process in an automated environment. The large sheets allow for precise control during subsequent shaping, ensuring the dough is at the optimal thickness and consistency before being extruded through dies to create spaghetti strands. These extruders are equipped with dies, which are metal plates with numerous holes through which the dough is forced to create long, thin strands of spaghetti. The choice of die material and design is critical as it affects the texture and cooking properties of the final product. In modern factories, extruders are highly automated, with sensors and control systems ensuring the dough is extruded at the optimal pressure and temperature. Chapter 5. Drying and packaging. The freshly extruded spaghetti is carefully transported throughout the factory using specialized hanging stands. These stands, often part of an automated conveyor system, are designed to support the delicate spaghetti strands as they move through various stages of production. The spaghetti hangs from rods or hooks on these stands, which travel along a network of tracks. This method minimizes breakage and maintains the integrity of the long strands. As the spaghetti moves through the factory, it passes through drying chambers where it undergoes controlled drying processes. The hanging method allows for even airflow around each strand, ensuring uniform drying. The drying process is crucial for preserving the texture and shelf life of the pasta. Did you know that the ideal drying temperature for spaghetti is around 110 degrees Fahrenheit? This ensures that the pasta dries evenly without becoming brittle or overcooked. Once the spaghetti is dried to perfection, it is cut to the desired length using automated cutting machines. The cutting process is precise, ensuring uniformity in length, which is essential for both aesthetic appeal and packaging efficiency. The spaghetti is then transported to the packaging area where advanced automated machinery takes over. These machines are equipped with conveyors and sensors that work in harmony to bundle the spaghetti into predetermined portions. First, the spaghetti is aligned and grouped into specific weights or quantities. The system carefully handles the delicate strands to prevent breakage. The grouped portions are then fed into packaging units where they are enveloped in either plastic or cardboard materials. The packaging materials are typically fed from large rolls or stacks, and machines precisely cut and seal them around the spaghetti portions. Labeling machines apply labels to each package, including essential product information such as weight, nutritional content, and expiration dates. These labels are printed in real time to ensure accuracy and compliance with regulatory standards. The packages are then conveyed to automated boxing stations, where they are placed into larger cartons for shipping. The cartons are sealed, labeled for distribution, and stacked onto pallets by robotic palletizers, which are then ready for transportation to retailers or warehouses. Chapter 6. The popularity of spaghetti. Why is spaghetti so famous? Spaghetti is a dish that people of all ages and walks of life love. It is a must-have at family dinners, Italian restaurants, and even high-end establishments. So what is it about spaghetti that makes it so good? One reason is its versatility. You can add a lot of different sauces and toppings to spaghetti, from simple marinara to more unusual ones like Alfredo or pesto. It can be a side dish or the main course, like spaghetti carbonara with eggs and bacon. Another reason it's so famous is that it brings people together. Many people love spaghetti because it makes them think of family gatherings, comfort food. Simple pleasures like a bowl of spaghetti can make even the worst day better. Chapter 7. Conclusion. So, the next time you indulge in a plate of spaghetti, take a moment to appreciate the journey it's taken to get to your table. And don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more informative and entertaining videos like this one.